Welcome to our lesson about creating gussets. A gusset is a metal plate that reinforces the area between two intersecting structural members with planar faces. Okay, let's get to work. We're on the Weldments tab currently. Let's begin by activating the Gusset tool. First, we need to select the faces to which the gusset will apply, then the gusset profile. It can be a triangle or a polygon profile. We specify the dimensions on the icons. For dimension 3, let's enter 5 millimeters. We've got the option to activate dimension 4, or we can specify an angular dimension. Let me scroll a little ways down the Property Manager. We've got the option to add a chamfer here. Adding a chamfer allows room for a weld bead under the gusset. We've got the option to enter the chamfer distance or an angle. We can specify whether the chamfer will be on the left side, both sides, or the right side. The thickness, let's leave it at 5 millimeters. Now let's take a look at the location section. Profile locates at the start point, the midpoint, and the third option locates the gusset at the end point. Let's keep it at the start point. We can specify an offset and a distance here. If a midpoint is selected, we're able to flip the direction for the offset side. I'm going to click OK, and here is our gusset. This concludes our lesson about the Gusset tool.